Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so the repair is fast. Check available storage and clear a little cache. Apps fail when space is low. Next, make sure your network is stable, switch from cellular to Wi-Fi if needed, and turn airplane mode off. Finally, verify you're signed into the correct App Store or Play Store account. If you're not, authentication will block downloads. Once done, move straight to the troubleshooting steps below to force the download to resume. Now force the app to resume. Open the store, pause, then restart the download, or tap retry. This often kicks stalled transfers. If that fails, clear the store app's cache or data or force stop it, because corrupt temporary files can block installs. Reboot your device afterward to reset networking and file locks. This solves many mid-process hangs. Make sure background, app refresh, and automatic updates are enabled so the store can finish installations without your constant attention. Finish by confirming the app is compatible with your OS version. An outdated system often prevents installs. Update the OS if needed, then free additional storage by removing unused apps or large media. Installers require temporary working space. If the download is still blocked, sign out of the store and sign back in, or uninstall and reinstall the store app if possible. If nothing works, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. Use that only after trying the other fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.